Tonian, it's me, Anis. Not making it to practice today, not feeling so well. And if you have any time tomorrow after practice, I need to talk to you, please. It's urgent.
Something happened down there?
I don't know yet, but Annie sent me one advice. So she now get to go practice and she wants to see me.
Any idea what it might be about?
No, but when I find out, me make you know.
Bossy, you know, say, we have apply some pressure to that girl there. Because I feel like she hide something, you know.
Why man so impatient? You know the same thing Raymond said to me? Wanna listen to me. Me and Tonian, we figure it out.
So who'll find out first? Shepherd or Patsy?
Not sure, no. Patsy always I hear voice and I know everything about me. Sometimes you just zone out. And I remember Shepherd say one at a time, him see foot in that area and he go in and shop.
Oh, this is when you have one of vision them now and you try connect the dots.
So how should I deal with it, Whisper?
Boy, the new information mash up her mates. She a pray her mother right now, no? Because her mother never tell her about her father. She said man dead.
Why people do them things there? Because my mother tell my grandmother for tell me so she dead.
There's usually a reason for all of this, you know. But here, you have to listen to two sides of the story.
Well, based on what me here, she never want to tell him because I'm married life and she said she never want to interfere and mash it up.
No, sir. It's a hobby for some of them women that they with married man. At least she never give up on her one daughter like some people.
She never give up on her, but the fact that she never makes she know say her father alive, that not cool.
She had a reason, you know, T. And you have to understand, say, when some of them things here happen, them happen when them young. At least she come give you clarity. What me would have advised you for the whisper is tell Patsy, talk to her mother, so she can get a better understanding.
Why, I say it to her, you know, but I read tip you know. I know say she's a strong woman, you know, but it really messed up her head, man, and I have to understand that.
Tell Patsy say she not for strong all the time when it come on to you. I know she have your full support. You have we, and you have us. All Patsy have to do is listen to the next side of the story. Tell her to hear about her mom.
Bossy, I'm sure the 100, you know. I don't know, but just I give her the time. When she get over it, she will link her.
Alright guys, I know so I have no personal issues I go through, but I have to strong up. I did tell you that them days here are gonna happen. We still have work to do. Tony, I need you to link with Anis, find out everything you can, and report back to me. Whisper, I hear say a little organized crime ring a happen over St. Catherine. We may need for planting.
Bossy, it's only like I gotta take me off the road for a while, man.
Yo, when me get the details, me make you know. And then me decide whether me gonna put you in the ring or me gonna plant you outside for observe. You miss, where your weapon? It no make for wearing your purse. You run an establishment. You need to have it by your person. And a party you go. Me go up on the road go do some errands. We will talk later.
think you know that by now. What kind of foul play that? Them just go there and the weapon no work.